you ever opened your freezer only to find it engulfed in a frosty avalanche? Meet the low frost freezer, the game changer in refrigeration. These innovative freezers dramatically reduce ice buildup, making maintenance a breeze. So, how does it work? Unlike traditional freezers, low frost models use specially designed evaporators and controlled airflow systems. This combination keeps your freezer cool while minimizing frost accumulation. While not entirely frost-free, they require manual defrosting far less often, offering a perfect middle ground. Imagine less time defrosting and more time enjoying your favorite frozen treats. And when it comes to upkeep, remember these tips. Defrost as needed, ensure door seals are tight, and avoid overloading your freezer to maintain peak performance. For any appliance repair needs, trust Abbotsford Appliance Repair to keep your home running smoothly. Embrace the convenience of low frost technology and say goodbye to icy inconveniences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights.